This is my breakfast this morning. So I just boiling hot waters in this little guy, and it's only take like a few minutes, and then I put some like cocoa. Want to show you what I use is I sometimes use this one. My husband like it and he bought it for me. That's very nice. And we buy some kind of like local hot chocolate thing from HEB, and sometimes I'll put this one. This is very nice. There's no sugar added. And so I make my little cup of hot chocolate. And then this one is like waffle that you buy it from HEB, and then I like it like crispy, so I leave it like for 4 or 5 minutes, whatever. And then this one is the strawberry. I get some vitamin C in the morning, and I love this one is the bacon, but there is so much fat coming out, so I just use it like tissue or something. And this is the one I got, bacon, HEB bacon, ready to cook. So it's so easy, you just put in a microwave in like a second, and I like it's crispy. And then I have another one. This is turkey bacon. This one is very good. So there is not a lot of fat. Smoker turkey sharp form turkey bacon, thin and crispy. So all this is so easy. You just have to put in the microwave in a second, and it's ready for you to eat. And then that is my husband. He like this guy, thick cut bacon. So we put all this back. And then I'm gonna put this guy back. So let's show you my refrigerator. So we have some drink up there. So like Hamlet, coconut water. So this is our favorite. So we usually buy it from Costco because it's cheaper. It's like a dollar something. You buy from Costco. If you buy from like Central Market or something, it's like $3, $4, $5. And then this is my husband. This is my husband. He loves his drink, and then he have to drink Fuji waters or Fiji, whatever. And then this is Coca-Cola. This is mine. So I like it like caffeine free. And then that is some grape over there, and this is my daughter's favorite, and she loves tomatoes. This is my daughter's and my, so we eat some strawberry almost every day, and more coconut waters because sometimes they don't have it. And then this guy is Yakult. I love it. My daughter loves it. This is her favorite as well. Danimal. She have a ton down there. And then we always stock up on egg, and we just kind of like give us ourselves a treat a little bit. So we have this thing. We got it from HEB. And then that is my lunch prep. And then this is like baby spinach and cucumber. My daughter's yogurt, so she loves this one. And then we have like fruit cup. And then my husband have his yogurt and rice pudding, and this is his favorite yogurt. And this guy, we like it because it's so easy. It's just crack an egg. So you just put some egg in there, add a fresh egg. We got it from HEB. They have so many different varieties. You just put some egg and then put it in the microwave for just like a few minutes. And my husband, my daughters, they love cheese, so she will like cheese stick. My cheddar, she will eat it like a snack. And then, so this is nice. So we buy some of this. So basil stir in paste. So this is my husband, and my sauce, sriracha hot chili sauce. And this is his favorite as well. So sweet baby, and then this is what I love. So actually it's from Thailand, I guess. chili. And then this is my daughter's. We got this for her when we sometimes go out. It's from Costco, Kirkland. And then this one is just like the local brand, and I have a lot of waters. And then I drink like whole milk, organic milk, almond and coconut milk. This is my husband's favorite. And we just pick up this one from HEB yesterday just to try. And then this is his favorite drink. Sometimes I make this half and half water, like waters half, and then this sparkling waters, mandarin oranges in the waters to make a better taste. And then we have here is like a lot of different French fries. This is French fry. That is my French fries, like a sweet fritters, and then this kind like they had some put some taste in it, so I love it. This is my waffle. We have some ice cream and some waffle. And this is my favorite drink. So we have a lot of vegetables, mixed vegetable, broccoli. And then this is my husband. He has his favorite pizza. And then we have some of steak. And then this is mine. Alright, and we stock up a lot of like this one. Or we buy like 100% pure natural chicken. This is what I love, 97% lean and 3% fat. And then just have to keep up with the expiration date. And then sometimes we make pasta, so we just use this guy. There's hot Italian sausage from HEB as well. And then this is all the frozen. This is my daughter's favorite. She loves the napkin. This is the one that I love from Costco. We got this one from Costco too. It's fully cooked mini wonton chicken and cilantro. So it's kind of like you can do like a fry, or you can just boil like a chicken broth or vegetable broth, and then just put it in so you can have it like a wonton soup. This is more chicken. Alright, so now it's time for me to have my breakfast. This looks good, right?